present. For who? For me or mommy?
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Does it have your name on it? Did you check the tag?
Yeah, look up here, buddy.
Yeah. How do you untie it?
Now you got it.
What's that?
The forwarding, but mommy, it's a different one. It doesn't have the turbo.
You will help, bud?
Can I ride that bike?
You like it?
Kickstand.
The kickstand.